Speaker of the Parliament Talant Mamutov congratulated the Kyrgyz people on the Kurmanite holiday. Dear Muslim brothers and sisters, on behalf of the deputies of the Parliament and on my own behalf, I congratulate you on the holiday Kurmanite. On this day we offer prayers to the Almighty, realizing the highest value of the life given to us. We try to purify our souls and strengthen our faith. Kurmanite is a holiday that embodies the enduring values of kindness and mercy. Therefore, Kurmanite occupies a special place in the spiritual life of our people. The Muslim community, which rightly considers humanity to be the basis for the upbringing of the younger generation, is doing good deeds these days, showing feelings of mutual support and solidarity. On this holiday for Muslims, I wish all my fellow citizens good health and prosperity. I wish good health, happiness, joy, well-being and prosperity to every family. May the Almighty accept today's donations and may all our dreams and desires become true.